most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, The Smile Squad. In this video, we will learn about the incisive nerve block. The incisive nerve. Incisive nerve is the branch of the nasopalatine nerve, which is the branch of the maxillary nerve. The incisal nerve provides sensation to the upper and the lower front teeth as well as the surrounding tissues. Incisal nerve block. Incisal nerve block is the type of the local anesthesia that numbs the upper and the lower front teeth as well as the surrounding tissues. Areas anesthetized. The areas anesthetized by the incisal nerve block are mandibular anterior teeth, means the central and lateral incisors and canines. Buccal gingiva, means from the midline to the second premolar. Mucous membrane of the lower lip in the targeted region. The nerves anesthetized by the incisal nerve block is the incisive nerve, a terminal branch of the inferior alveolar nerve. Incisive nerve block can be used for restorative procedures on mandibular anteriors and premolars, scaling and root planing or extractions of these teeth, soft tissue surgeries on the labial mucosa of the anterior mandible. Incisal nerve block is contraindicated in patients with a history of allergy to the local anesthetics. Maybe the patient can have allergy from lidocaine or articaine. The patients with certain medical conditions such as bleeding disorders or severe cardiovascular diseases, the bleeding disorders as hemophilia or hematoma formation at the injection site, and the cardiovascular diseases, injecting the local anesthesia to the cardiovascular patient can cause the changes in the blood pressure of the patient due to the vasoconstrictor present in the local anesthetics. Patient taking the certain medications such as anticoagulants or MAOIs. MAOIs means monoamine oxidase inhibitors used to treat depressions. These anesthetics can lead to the adverse reactions. Advantages of the incisal nerve block are it is less invasive than inferior alveolar nerve block and no unwanted tongue numbness, allowing patients to speak and eat comfortably. And also it is easily to administer and can be used for a variety of dental procedures. The disadvantages of the incisal nerve block are it can cause paresthesia. Paresthesia is the abnormal sensation as the numbness, tingling, burning or prickling. It can be due to the nerve damage. It can also cause the hematoma due to the vessel damage, or it also doesn't anesthetize the lingual gingiva. It may require additional blocks. The alternative techniques for anesthetizing the lower incisors, canines and surrounding gingiva include the infiltration anesthesia, nerve blocks of the adjacent nerves such as the inferior alveolar nerve or the mental nerve. The target area for the incisal nerve block is the incisal nerve, which is located in the anterior mandible. The landmarks used to locate the incisal nerve are lower incisors, canines and the mental foramen. The technique for administering the incisal nerve block is insert the needle and deposit the local anesthetic solution at the apex of the canines. The area of insertion for incisal nerve block is the anterior mandible. Precautions that should be taken when administering the incisal nerve block are using a sterile needle and syringe, monitoring the patient's vital signs and avoiding the intravascular injection. Onset and duration of incisal nerve block is the numbness start from 2 to 5 minutes and the duration lasts to 60 to 90 minutes for pulpal anesthesia, up to 3 hours for soft tissues. Signs and symptoms of successful anesthesia are numbness or tingling in the lower incisors, canines and surrounding gingiva, loss of sensation in the lower incisors, canines and surrounding gingiva, no pain when touching or probing the area. Failure of anesthesia is due to the incorrect needle placement, insufficient anesthetic solution, anatomical variations, or premature contact with the bone. The accessory innervation to the lower incisors, canines, and surrounding gingiva can be from inferior alveolar nerve, mental nerve, and lingual nerve. Inferior alveolar nerve provides a sensation to the lower teeth and surrounding tissues. The mental nerve provides sensation to the lower lip and chin, and the lingual nerve provides sensation to the anterior two-thirds of the tongue.